Welcome to qnawire.
Okay. So in general, what does the presence of a double bond, what effect does it have on the shape of the carbon chain? Well, you probably noticed that this double bond, when building a model, changes the angle, changes the bond angles. Changes the bond angles to 120 degrees from 109.5 degrees. Right. So previously you had tetrahedral carbon. Now you've got these double bonds, and everything is 120 degrees instead of 109.5. Also, a double bond will not allow rotation about carbon-carbon bonds, right? So it stops rotation. Okay, what about a triple bond? Okay, this is going to change CC bond angles to 180 degrees, right? And it will also not allow rotation. Okay, and the final question is, if we take this C2H4 and replace two of them, first with methyls and then they're saying dealing with bromine, does this allow for cis-trans isomerism? And the answer is yes, right? Hydrogen on one side, bromine on the other side, hydrogen on the other. Or you can end up with bromine down here, for example, bromine up here, and then hydrogen here and hydrogen here. And so this would be the cis, as in they're on the same side, and this would be the trans, as though they're on, because they're on opposite sides. So the answer is yes.